Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. Some Hoyas here which have been really sick for a very long time thanks to me, but I have finally gotten about to do something about it. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 different Hoyas, and this is mainly of course for my Linearis. This whole video is for my Linearis, which is struggling quite badly. I had, by the way, the best plant I would say of Linearis. I have a full video on it. I was so proud of the piece I got on Amazon because so many people have been trying to find Linearis, and I had a good, amazing luck finding the best piece, best plant, that specific plant that I got. It was so huge, it was growing very well, but I had to repot it, and that's where everything went down. I put it in pond, it didn't work for it, so today I won't be doing that. I have salvaged some cuttings here, like this one, which of course is also struggling because it has mealy bugs on it. This whole Hoya has mealies, even this stem has mealies, and it did give me more seeds, but I think I'm just gonna discard it because I don't know how they work. There's a Wayetii here, which also I think I'm gonna throw away. It's not doing good, but this last one here, this one has really good roots, so I'm thinking I will just put it in soil so that it can do something more. I did have this little stem also which is actually in pond, which kind of is doing okay, but I think I will put this along with that. We'll see the roots on that one, it's very frail. Apart from that, I have this guy which also is unwell. This is Hoya Vittellinoides, Vittellinoides, how do you pronounce it? But yes, so this has not grown a bit since I got. It's gotten very limp now. I know for a fact that there could be no roots here. Same as with this one. This is my Hoya Bella, I think. It's not doing anything, and I saw that it's kind of giving up, and the soil thing is not working. I think these pots have not worked for me, so I want to remove them, see the situation, but mainly we will be repotting this guy, and I want to get this cleaned up. It's such a mess here. There's like a whole algae ecosystem, like it's so bad. Like this one specifically, like what's happening there. It is terribly bad, so I want to get rid of all that algae mess. And yes, so we will repot that. Before we do, let's actually just see the situation on these guys. I'll just create some space so we can see what's happening here. Just gonna remove this. Yep, there's nothing, no roots, nothing here. So it's been just in some damp soil, and there are insects in the soil, I feel. So I'm gonna of course put this into water till it gets roots. So a simple thing to be done there. I'm very sure it's the same here. Yes, nothing at all. So we will do the same thing. I'll wash this up and we will put these in water. So sorted with these two guys. I'll get rid of this. I will also, this is messy. So yes, this one is doing some crazy things, but I'm gonna discard this completely. And this is Wayetii. Do I want to keep it? I think I'm just going to discard it. I don't want it. And let's remove this guy. Actually, first I'll keep these down here. Okay, we will remove and see what's happening here. So those are the roots. I'll just wash this up too and I will get back. And before I go, this one. Broke the roots on this guy. So this little thing, I broke the roots on that while removing. The impatient me. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, so I'm back. I have tried to clean up all these roots. Looks good now. I washed off a lot of algae and mealybugs which I could. Of course, I will do the spray treatment in a bit. So we are starting with this little thing here. Yes. And the other thing is sorted here. Oops. So these are the other two Hoyas. They will be in this water propagation bottle that I have. I have just filled it up till here, submerged it until the nodes. I will keep this in bright light. We will see what happens next from there. So this bit is sorted, very quick and simple. Now for repotting this guy, I want to use this container. I think this is perfectly fine. I think this should be good. Yes, I think that's fine. I have my soil here. So let's quickly do that. All right, so here we go. That is now potted up. As usual, the mistake I made was to forget adding the rooting powder. I really would have benefited from doing that. For a split second, I thought removing this and sprinkling some rooting powder, or maybe I'll add some from the top. I don't know if that'll work, but I just let it be now. So that's the starting point for this plant now. I still need to spray it with my best solution for the mealybug. There are there's this one stem here, 2, 3, kind of a 4th one I would say, and a 5th one. So 5 different spots in there. lot of melees on this. So well, anyway, it's looking fine. And here is the other prop, water prop, and yes, those are my sick Hoyas. This, if it survives, I'll be very happy. These, if they do, of course I'll be happy, but if they don't, that's okay too. That's what you're working with. Well, thank you so much for joining in to watch me attempt saving my Hoyas, and hopefully in time, and hopefully I wasn't too rugged with them, but we'll see. We'll know soon. You know what, if it doesn't work, I actually will just order a new one is what I feel. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't let it just sit in water and all that algae, and there's such a bad situation here, so at least that is fine. And yes, I'm going to wrap up now, and I will see you in the next one. If you watched this video, thank you so much. I hope you like the video, I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.